Hey there, amazing folks. Prithvi here, your go-to companion for mastering study abroad exams. Welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the secrets to make your study journey extraordinary. Imagine this, acing your IELTS exam in just 2 weeks. Sounds impossible, right? Well, get ready to believe in the extraordinary because we've crafted an intensive 15-day plan. That is your express tickets to IELTS success. Now, you might wonder, how is this even possible? The real magic lies in our approach. We've streamlined the process, injected some fun, and crafted it to help you achieve your desired score. Join me, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into this journey together. Day 1. Decoding the IELTS framework. We are peeling back the layers of the IELTS framework. We've got 4 crucial sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Day 2. Understanding the IELTS evaluation strategy. Dive into the nitty-gritty of marking and grading patterns. Recognize benchmarks for each band score to focus on areas maximizing score gains. Day 3. Navigating the intricacies of IELTS reading. With a strategic approach, you can confidently traverse this section. We'll cover diverse text types, nature of the questions, and time limitations. Lay a solid foundation for IELTS reading. Day 4. Deep dive into comprehension. If you aim to score in the IELTS reading section, surface level reading won't suffice. It requires a profound understanding of comprehension. Let's allocate this day to immerse ourselves in varied passages, focusing on extracting central themes and discerning nuanced interpretations. It is an opportunity for us to hone our skills, ensuring we grasp the core of every text we encounter. Day 5. Mastering efficient reading strategies. Every second counts in IELTS reading. Equip yourself with rapid reading techniques like skimming and scanning. Day 6. Delving deep into intensive reading practices. Challenge yourself with timed, full-scale IELTS reading passages. We are putting your endurance to the test, preparing you for the real deal. Day 7. Checking out varied English audio content. Switch to the IELTS listening section. Get those ears tuned to diverse English accents. Immerse yourself in a range of audio materials, from podcasts to global news. Fine-tune those listening skills and catch every nuance. Day 8. Practicing IELTS listening questions. Practice, practice, practice. Grab those headphones, dive into multiple IELTS listening tasks, and focus on varied accents and pacing. Mirror the actual test demands and get ready for the listening challenge. Day 9. Engaging in constructive English conversations. Conquer IELTS speaking by immersing in English conversations. Participate in discussions to boost confidence, pronunciation, and expressive skills. Day 10. Emulating real-life IELTS speaking condition. Mock test alert. Challenge yourself to expand on diverse topics, convey ideas clearly, and stay within the time limits. Day 11. Embarking on the journey of idiomatic expressions. To crack IELTS, let's master idioms. Dive into the world of phrases, understanding their meanings, and practice using them. It's time to enhance your linguistic flair. Day 12. Expanding your vocabulary for effective writing. To conquer IELTS writing, you need a killer vocabulary. Create a list of sophisticated terms, understand their meanings, and practice using them in sentences. Day 13. Sharpening your grammar skills. The backbone of language. Dive into intensive exercises, focusing on mastering verb tenses, experimenting with sentence structures, and eliminating typical mistakes. Day 14. Exploring different essay topics. Familiarize yourself with a range of topics. Refine your skills to create engaging narratives, articulate persuasive arguments, and draw logical conclusions. It's all about mastering the art of essay writing. Day 15. IELTS mock examination. Time for an extensive IELTS practice exam. This last practice will highlight your strengths, point out areas for improvement, and give you the confidence to ace the IELTS. As you dive into this 15-day journey towards IELTS success, remember, it's not just about working hard, but working smart. With the right strategy and dedication, cracking the IELTS is within reach.